Spontaneous science at home. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to contact Jim and open his safe. This message will self-destruct in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Something must be going wrong. Mission accepted. Yeah, something definitely is wrong with the self-destruct system.
Turn left. At the next intersection, turn right. You are driving in the wrong direction. Please turn around. You have reached your destination.
Oh boy. Oh, my phone's ringing. I wonder who that could be.
Hello, Jim. I am outside your location.
Hello?
Jim?
Hello?
Yeah, it's me.
Hello?
Jim.
Hello?
Jim.
Is anybody
Jim.
there?
Jim.
Hello? Hello?
Jim.
Hello?
Jim, yeah, it's me. You
Oh, hello there.
sent a secret message. Jim,
Yes, go right on in.
going in. Oh no, a tech dog.
Oh, don't worry about her. Now I think I need you to go 7 paces to forward, and then 6 paces to the right, and then you will end up to your location.
Jim, I am apt to say, wait a minute. This is a microwave.
Oh yes, it is a microwave. Yeah, can you put a hot pocket in it?
I'm not going to cook you a hot pocket. That's not what I was hired to do. I was hired to break into a safe.
Maybe even lasagna.
Jim.
My wife's lasagna.
Not going to do it.
Think you break it up? What? Who? I don't know a Jim. Who? I don't know. What?
Hello there, and welcome to Spontaneous Science at home. And while we may be home, it doesn't stop us from doing science experiments. We are going to do a super secret science experiment today. Invisible ink. Invisible ink, and you guys may have done this before in the past with your science experiments, but we're going to do it here for those of you that haven't done it before. And it's very interesting and very cool. I always find this experiment pretty cool. First, you're going to need a glass or a bowl, something to put lemon juice in, or lemon of a juice, real lemon juice, lemon juice. That is from a lemon. Lemon juice. You're going to need lemon juice. All right, and then you're going to need some ear Q-tips, or a paintbrush. Q-tips or a paintbrush. I have 4. I'm probably only going to use 1. Let's see. Then you're going to need a piece of paper, plain white piece of paper. And then, with your parents' permission, a torch. So now that you have all your items, we are going to start with the cup. You're going to place the cup on the table, and then you're going to take your lemon juice, or juice of a lemon, 100% real lemon, and pour it into the cup without getting it into your eye. Pour a good amount in there. All right, so we get a good. I don't recommend drinking it. Then you are going to put and soak up some lemon juice with your Q-tip, like so. If I can fit my hand in there. Alright. And then you are going to start writing something on your piece of paper.
So let's see. You probably don't have to do it a couple times too.
It's so invisible that I forgot where I left off.
Alright, now that we have
Alright, now that we have written our secret letter, secret word, or secret phrase onto our piece of paper, with your parents' permission, we are going to kind of place the paper over the heat and not burn ourselves. Did it. Alright, so we got the first half of our message. Okay, there we go with spontaneous kind of burnt off the side. So, that is our experiment for today. Please, 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 please have your parents by your side, especially with a torch, because I don't need to hear about any houses burning down on the account of spontaneous science. There won't be any more spontaneous science. Do it outdoors. Do this experiment outdoors. It's nice wherever you are. Have a nice day. Pick a nice day. Get some lemon juice. And do this experiment outdoors. So this is our experiment for today. And I look forward to being back in the classroom. Because next week we are going to... Can I reveal it? Can I reveal it? We're going to build a roller coaster. Build a roller coaster. Thank you for watching. This is Spontaneous Science.